Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need to verify hardware and app readiness. Many Android phones support HCE, while iPhone has stricter limits. Once you confirm NFC is on, install a reputable NFC emulation or tag writing app and grant permissions. Start by choosing the tag type you want to emulate, NDEF text, URL, or custom AID, because that determines the app settings. Make sure to back up existing tag data and disable unnecessary connections. This reduces interference and speeds testing when you place devices together. Next, open the app and build the exact payload you need. Pick NDEF URL for web links, text for notes, or MIME for app-specific data. Configure the application ID or emulated UID only if your target reader requires it. This is why HCE matters. Once set, enable foreground emulation or a sticky notification so the OS keeps the service alive. Test by tapping a reader. If the reader misses the tag, increase timeout and lower device distance for a clean handshake. To finish, perform several real-world reads, payment terminals, access readers, and another phone with NFC. Confirm the payload appears and persists as expected. If the reader rejects it, make sure the app runs in foreground, permissions are granted, and your phone model supports required features. Once done, disable emulation to avoid accidental transactions. If issues persist, restart NFC, reinstall the app, and consult logs. This usually reveals timeouts, AID mismatches, or OS-level restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.